The DJI Mavic series has long been a favorite among drone enthusiasts, consistently pushing the boundaries of aerial photography and videography. The Mavic 3, released in 2021, quickly gained popularity for its exceptional 4/3 camera and improved safety features. Now, nearly 3 years later, rumors of its successor, the DJI Mavic 4, are generating excitement within the drone community. In this article, we'll explore the latest speculation surrounding the Mavic 4, including potential camera upgrades, new features, pricing, and its anticipated release date. So, without further delay, let's dive in. The rumored design of the DJI Mavic 4 suggests significant improvements, particularly in aerodynamics and speed. Leaked images show a redesigned body that appears sleeker and more aerodynamic, likely addressing user requests for a faster and more efficient drone. The new model may feature a tougher build, while potentially weighing under 900 grams, enhancing its maneuverability and flight time. A notable addition to the design could be integrated LED beacons on both the top and bottom of the drone, improving visibility during night flights. Additionally, the Mavic 4 might include dual microSD card slots and increased internal storage, offering enhanced data management for users. Another exciting possibility is the introduction of user-swappable payloads, which could improve repairability and allow for future upgrades. The gimbal design seems to have been maintained, possibly offering a wider range of motion and better stabilization for smoother footage. The leaked images of the DJI Mavic 4 hint at significant camera upgrades. The drone appears to feature a larger gimbal setup, housing a Hasselblad-branded triple camera system. This configuration suggests a continuation of the versatile multi-camera approach seen in the Mavic 3 Pro, but with upgraded sensors and optics. The increased size of the camera unit hints at potential sensor upgrades, possibly moving beyond the current 4/3 sensor to an APS-C format. This would likely result in improvements in resolution, dynamic range, and low-light performance, making the Mavic 4 a formidable tool for professional-grade aerial imaging. The triple camera setup could also offer enhanced zoom capabilities and a wider range of focal lengths, further expanding the creative possibilities for users. In addition to these hardware improvements, we can expect to see advanced features such as autonomous flight modes, improved obstacle avoidance, and enhanced tracking capabilities, all of which would solidify the Mavic 4's position as a flagship consumer drone. Recent leaks suggest that the DJI Mavic 4 will come with an upgraded battery, providing increased flight time and the power needed to support its enhanced features. The battery is expected to be larger than that of the Mavic 3, in line with DJI's trend of expanding drone capabilities. There is also speculation about the inclusion of USB-C ports directly on the batteries, which would offer more convenient charging options for users on the go. This could be a significant improvement for those who need to charge their drone quickly and efficiently in the field. The release date for the DJI Mavic 4 is speculated to be in the fall of this year, following DJI's typical product cycle. However, the recent launch of the Mavic 3 Pro might delay this timeline. Pricing is expected to be similar to, or slightly higher than the Mavic 3's launch price of $2,199 for the standard bundle. The exact price will likely depend on the new features and improvements introduced with the Mavic 4. The upcoming DJI Mavic 4 promises exciting advancements across multiple areas, from a redesigned body that emphasizes speed and aerodynamics to outstanding camera upgrades, including a triple Hasselblad-branded system. These enhancements suggest that the Mavic 4 is poised to shake up the drone industry. Battery improvements and new features like integrated LED beacons and user-swappable payloads could further elevate its capabilities, making it an even more attractive option for both professional and amateur drone pilots. As all this information is based on rumors and speculation, we'll have to wait for an official announcement from DJI to confirm the details of the Mavic 4. What are your thoughts on this upcoming drone? Let us know in the comments below, and be sure to subscribe to stay tuned for more updates. The DJI Mini 5 Pro is creating a wave of excitement in the drone community, with its release anticipated for September 2024. Building on the success of its predecessors, this compact drone is expected to introduce a range of significant upgrades that could redefine the standards for consumer drones in this category. One of the most talked about features is the rumored camera system. The Mini 5 Pro is expected to be equipped with a 1-inch sensor, a marked improvement over the 1/1 3-inch sensor found in previous models. This upgrade is significant because it could drastically improve image quality, particularly in challenging lighting conditions. A larger sensor generally means better dynamic range, allowing for more detailed images with richer colors and finer gradations between light and dark areas. It also reduces noise, especially in low-light situations, which is a common issue with smaller sensors. This enhancement could make the Mini 5 Pro a compelling choice, not just for hobbyists, but also for semi-professional photographers and videographers looking for a portable yet powerful tool. In addition to the improved sensor, the Mini 5 Pro is expected to offer 4K video recording at 60 frames per second, aligning it with the current industry standards for high-quality video capture in compact drones. This capability is crucial for users who want to capture smooth, detailed footage, whether for personal projects, social media content, or even professional work. The combination of a larger sensor and high frame rate 4K recording could position the Mini 5 Pro as a leader in its class, appealing to a wide range of users from enthusiasts to professionals. Another area where the Mini 5 Pro is expected to see significant improvement is in its internal storage capacity. The previous model, the Mini 4 Pro, offered 2 GB of internal storage, which many users found limiting, especially when shooting high-resolution video. Rumors suggest that the Mini 5 Pro could come with at least 8 GB of internal storage, a substantial upgrade that would provide more flexibility for pilots. This increase in storage would be particularly beneficial for those who want to capture footage on the go without needing to rely entirely on external memory cards. It would also offer a safety net, allowing for some storage, even if the pilot forgets to insert a memory card or if the card becomes full during a shoot. Flight time is another critical factor for drone enthusiasts, and it's an area where users are hoping to see improvements in the Mini 5 Pro. The Mini 4 Pro, despite being equipped with the Intelligent Battery Plus, saw only modest gains in flight duration. However, the Mini 5 Pro is expected to offer at least 40 minutes of flight time per charge, which would be a significant boost. Longer flight times are particularly valuable for users who want to explore larger areas or who need more time to capture the perfect shot without the interruption of frequent battery changes. This improvement could make the Mini 5 Pro more appealing for activities like landscape photography, surveying, and extended aerial videography. When it comes to pricing, the Mini 5 Pro is anticipated to be in the same range as its predecessor, with a base model likely priced between $750 and $800. This pricing strategy positions the drone competitively within the mid-range market, offering advanced features at a price point that is accessible to a broad audience. While some of the rumored features might seem ambitious for a drone in this price category, the expected upgrades in sensor size, dynamic range, storage capacity, and flight time could indeed justify the cost, making the Mini 5 Pro an attractive option for both serious hobbyists and professionals. DJI's strategy of rapidly releasing new models appears to be a deliberate move to maintain its market dominance and to keep pace with the evolving demands of consumers. The Mini 5 Pro represents an opportunity for DJI to not only meet but potentially exceed the expectations set by its previous models. As the drone industry continues to evolve, with increasing emphasis on portability, performance, and ease of use, the DJI Mini 5 Pro could play a pivotal role in shaping the future of compact, high-performance drones. The anticipation surrounding the DJI Mini 5 Pro is a testament to the brand's ability to innovate and push the boundaries of what compact drones can do. Whether you're a hobbyist looking for a reliable, easy-to-use drone, or a professional in need of a powerful yet portable tool, the Mini 5 Pro is shaping up to be a game-changer in the industry. Its release is eagerly awaited by a diverse group of users who are excited to see how DJI will once again set new standards for what's possible in the world of drone technology.